Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
To bring you some sights and sounds of the Awankere festival, popularly known in Warri as Okerejuju. The origin of the Awankere festival dates back to the 15th century when Ekme, the chief warrior and founder of Okere, introduced it when he came in from Benin Kingdom. The Awankere is a fertility festival which also serves to purify the community as sacrifices are made to appease and thank the deity for the blessings upon the land. The festival has a lot of masquerades, but the Oshogumale, who is always attired in white, is the father of all the masquerades, while Okboye, dressed in sackcloth, is the mother, while all the other masquerades you see in different colors are children of Oshogumale and Okboye. All the masquerades, apart from Okboye, carry two specially designed whips known as Okpasha. The Okpasha produces gunshot-like sounds when the masquerades whip the floor with it. The festival usually takes place in the rainy season, and all the masquerades usually pay respects to the Ogeboro and Ojuomale, the chief priests. This year's Awankere festival was indeed a lot of fun, but the man who stole the show was a man of the people and without a doubt ambassador for Shekiri customs and tradition, Chief Ayiri Imami. Well, the Okerejuju festival is done annually, and I can tell you from personal experience growing up in Warri that it is indeed a lot of fun and excitement.
Inside the Niger Delta,